Alexandria Troas Ancient City. Alexandria Troas Ancient City is located in Kestanbolluk within the borders of Dalyan Village, Ezine District. It was founded as the city of Antigoia by Antigonos Monophtalmos, one of the commanders of Alexander the Great, in 310 BC, and after the death of Alexander the Great, its name was changed to Alexandria Troas by Lysmimakhos, meaning the city of Alexander in Troas. The city is an important settlement with its temples, small bath, stadium, fountain, stone-paved street, theatre, waterway and port, which were completely planned. One of the structures that has survived in the city is the Herod's Atticus Gymnasium. It is important, as it is one of the largest gymnasiums in Anatolia. According to the city plan, it covers an area of 390 hectares, and 8 kilometers long. City walls can be traced. In the studies conducted, it was seen that Alexandria Troas Ancient City was one of the largest cities in Anatolia. Excavations are currently being carried out under the direction of Professor Dr. Erhan Oztip from Ankara University.